I have removed about, I think, 16 bullets I have removed from the brain till now. And there was one axe which was fixed in the brain, it was hit by somebody else. That also we have removed. So, quite a variety of patients we see in my place.
But even then, this is something that's very unique.
Yeah, this is definitely unique.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
White fungus is quickly emerging as one of the most scarier and dangerous post-COVID phenomena. While in most cases it was seen to attack the eyes, respiratory system and sinuses, it has recently been discovered to attack the brain as well. In Indore, a 50-year-old woman was recently operated upon for what is being dubbed as the world's largest white fungus, which was found in her brain. Dr. Deepak Kulkarni, who is the Guinness World Record holder neurosurgeon, operated upon her.
This patient came to us few days back. She is from a district place Dha. She is a 50-year-old female and she came with weakness in the right side of the body. She was already first COVID positive, then she turned COVID negative. And when we got her investigated, looking at the MRI, this was a very huge lesion on the left side of the brain. And we decided to operate upon her. And during surgery, we took help of the sonography also to reach to the lesion. And this was a very big lesion, and we started removing it, and like everything was removed from the brain. And when we sent the patient this material for histopathology, after 3 days we got the report that it is a white fungus. The feel of the abnormal tissue in the brain was like that of a tumor. So even looking at the MRI, it appeared to be like a tumor. Even to the radiologist who reported, it appeared to be like a very malignant tumor. But when we got the histopathological report, it turned out to be a white fungus. Earlier, when she got some weakness in the right side of the body, she got a CT scan done. And at that time, the CT scan was showing a lesion which was just slightly more than a peanut size. But during a course of say 15 to 20 days, this lesion has increased to more than 20 times. So it was very big this time.
How big was it? Do you remember the size?
The size is around like 8.4 centimeters into 4.6 centimeters into 4 centimeters by volume. So it was starting from the frontal region, going up to the parietal, and then the posterior parietal region, up to the occipital region it was going. Earlier we have done tumors which are bigger than this, but they are actually tumors. This was the first time that we intervened with a fungus which is of this big size.
I believe in 2011 you also found a very huge tumor, and before that in 2001 for which you hold the Guinness World Record as well. Tell us a little bit about those.
In 2001 I operated a 4.5-year-old child, and this was the heaviest brain tumor which was reported, which was around 570 grams. I have removed about, I think, 16 bullets I have removed from the brain till now. And there was one axe which was fixed in the brain, it was hit by somebody else. That also we have removed. So quite a variety of patients we see in my place.
But even then, this is something that's very unique.
Yeah, this is definitely unique. In terms of symptoms, a big fungal infection or a tumor will have the same thing. She had difficulty in speech, she had difficulty in moving the right side. The right side had a dense hemiplegia.
Meaning paralysis.
There is a right-sided paralysis for her. And after removing the tumor, she has started improving, and this will take about 3 to 6 months for her to regain inner power with physiotherapy and all.
With the second surge of COVID only now seemingly getting better with time, the black, white and yellow funguses seem to be the next big battle facing India. For The Print, this is Fatima Khan and Nirmal Podar reporting from Indore.